Alright guys, this is our new home for the next 4 days, like Gilligan's Island, 2-story, but I think the best part of this place is right here. How about that for a view, huh? Isn't that awesome? Right down there is a restaurant, and that's a dive shop, and this is our shack right here, 2-story shack. Alright, we're gonna go inside this 2-story shack. Alright, down here is the bathroom, I guess. Shower, huh? How about that? There's your luggage rack. Mosquito net. Your own private balcony. How about that view, huh?
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When it's my turn to start living. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity. Sun shining, it's a new day. Gotta play.
Nothing like a fresh pot of coffee in the morning right in front of this awesome beach, huh? Alright, here's our buddy Toss right here. He operates the dive shop. This is Natalia right here, and this fellow is from Norway. Yes, another diver. Anyway, I ain't diving, I'm drinking coffee today. Alright.